How to send high quality video on Messenger. So if you want to send the HD quality videos or photos on your Facebook Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application and make sure to update the application, because you can do that with your application itself. So first choose a chat in which you would like to send the image or video, and now go with the bottom left which has that image option and choose your photos or videos that you would like to send. Now once you've chosen, tap on edit, which is here on the left side, and here on the bottom left you will have HD quality option. Simply tap on the HD quality and then go with send. But if you don't have the HD quality on your videos, then what you need to do is just simply go back and you can open up your drive. Now tap on the new icon which is on the bottom right and simply choose a folder option and create a folder. Once you've created, now you just need to simply tap on folder, and here you need to upload the video or images that you would like to share. Tap on new again and then tap on upload and choose the videos or images that you would like to share and upload it. Now simply go with the three dots and then tap on manage access, and under manage access here you need to simply change from restricted to anyone with the link. And once you've updated the permission, go back and then tap on the upper right and copy the link. Once you've copied, now you just need to simply go back to your Messenger, and here you just need to simply paste it, and that's it. That's how you can send your high quality video on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.